Hello and welcome to the Marie Curie Intranet. This film has been put together to highlight key aspects of the intranet that can help you in your day-to-day work. The intranet's navigation and structure is based on staff feedback. It's divided into 4 key areas which will be discussed in more detail later. When you click on a particular area of the intranet, the left navigation will change. This is to reflect the content in that particular area. The search toolbar appears on all areas of the intranet. If you can't find something manually, then use the search function. Now let's look at what you can see on the intranet homepage. The intranet keeps staff up to date with the latest internal communications from the charity. This is done by the latest posts to the post section and the main intranet news, which is updated every weekday. Click on a news item to read the full details. The hot topic is an area where staff can feedback on a particular question. The topics are updated monthly. Staff can submit their response and feedback anonymously. You can also see the results and feedback from the previous month's hot topic. The big blue button provides you with up-to-date statistics from our nursing service and hospices. This type of information is particularly useful for fundraising staff. You can keep up to date on all key news via post, which can be updated regularly by all staff. Posts to the post section are listed in the order that the stories were published. Posts are categorised so you can view news related to a certain category, such as celebrity news. All staff can post a news item to post, so just click on the Create a Post link and fill in the details. It's simple. Click on the internal job vacancies to see the latest Marie Curie jobs from across the UK. These are listed by region, where you can quickly access all the relevant details. The IT Help Desk telephone number is available on the home page. Staff can also view key IT policies and procedures and other IT information that may be of use before having to call the IT Help Desk. You can access a regular monthly update from our Chief Executive, Thomas Hughes Hallett, to read what's on his mind for the month ahead. The Staff Bulletin Board allows all staff to post items for sale, sponsorship requests, general announcements and more. It's easy to add your post. Just click on New and fill in the online form with your post. Read about the various functions of the charity with the Meet the Department section. This gives staff an insight into who does what within the charity, especially useful for new starters. The online staff handbook provides staff with quick access to key information for working at Marie Curie Cancer Care. This is divided into sections which you can view at a glance and access policies such as bicycle loans or the charity's dress code. The Staff Forum is a popular area of the intranet where staff can submit suggestions on how the charity can improve its performance and service delivery. If you have an idea on how the charity can raise more money, cut costs, launch new services or improve existing ones, then please submit your thoughts. Marie Curie Match is an area where staff can job swap or job shadow with another member of staff. If you would like to swap, shadow or offer to host someone shadow you, then simply post your details. The Staff Spotlight area was created to highlight the various roles undertaken by staff throughout the charity. It's a fun way of highlighting what staff do inside and outside of work, and is updated monthly. Look, there's the Intranet Manager, Mark Ryan. The People Finder is a tool that searches the intranet staff directory. You can search for a person's contact details by typing their name and then clicking on the search icon. Click on the person's details to see their full staff profile page. You can then see a list of that person's colleagues via the organisation hierarchy and view their contact information. The People Finder also allows you to search for staff contact details from a specific department or team. Select the team you are searching for via the list and click on the search icon. You'll then see a list of all the staff from that team. You can then refine your search by selecting a job title to find the person you need. Please ensure you keep your contact details up to date at all times. The I Need To menu lists common tasks that are often performed by staff within the charity. Select the task you wish to perform, click the search icon, and you'll be shown the relevant information or policy to help you complete that task. The news and comms links show the intranet news items from the previous 3 days, in case you've missed anything. The Every Click search bar searches the World Wide Web. These searches help to raise money for the charity, so please use this instead of Google. The Useful Links section provides more links to other key areas that are useful to staff in the charity. Now let's have a look at the other sections of the intranet. The About Us section features key information about the charity that staff may need to access on a regular basis. This includes acronyms that are used within the charity, frequently asked questions, facts and figures, key statistics, a history of the charity, information about the executive board, and much more. The Document Library section contains key policies, procedures, publications and other documentation that staff may need to access. This is divided into key areas based on the structure of the charity, such as HR and other operations. When looking for documents, staff can select an appropriate view to help filter out unwanted documentation. The Document Library section also has a list of links to key documents which staff can quickly access. The News and Comms section provides access to a number of external websites that are reporting on news stories relating to Marie Curie cancer care. The stories are listed in date order and provide a brief snapshot of what the story is about. These news stories can be viewed in more detail by clicking on the relevant link. The News and Comms section also features a news archive and links to internal comms projects. The Staff Info section provides staff with information that may help them in their day-to-day work. This includes a user guide for the Avaya telephones that are used throughout the charity, up-to-date information on key regional offices and all the hospices, details on the information and consultation with employees groups, intranet guidelines, online forms, and much more. The Search Centre is a basic search tool which allows you to search all content on the intranet. It also allows you to search for another member of staff via the People tab. Enter your search criteria and then view the results to see the information you are looking for. Search results will list content and documentation from the intranet and all SharePoint team sites that you have permission to access. The intranet team welcomes all feedback staff have regarding the Marie Curie intranet. Use the feedback form on the homepage to submit your thoughts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this introduction to the Marie Curie intranet. We hope you found it useful.